talk on welding, flame cutting, and grinding safety. Hello everyone. Today, we are discussing a very critical aspect of our work, welding, flame cutting, and grinding safety. These are high-risk activities that, if not properly managed, can lead to serious injuries, fires, and even fatalities. So, let's take a few minutes to ensure everyone is clear on how we can carry out these tasks safely and protect ourselves and our colleagues. 1. Personal Protective Equipment (PPE). First and foremost, always wear the correct PPE. This includes a welding face shield and goggles. For welders, face shields that attach to safety helmets offer an added layer of protection. Never start a task without putting on the appropriate PPE. It can be the difference between safety and serious injury. 2. Control sparks, spatter, and arc light. Ensure that any sparks, weld spatter, or arc light do not affect people working around you. Use barriers or shields when necessary and maintain safe distances to protect others. 3. Fire safety precautions. Before starting work, clear your area of any flammable materials. Always have a suitable fire extinguisher nearby and ready for immediate use. Fire prevention is a responsibility we all share. 4. Grounding welding machines. Engineers and welders must ensure that all welding machines are properly earthed. Proper grounding minimizes electrical hazards, which can be fatal if ignored. 5. Gas cylinder safety. Gas cylinders must always be fitted with flashback arresters to prevent accidents. Additionally, ensure cylinders are used in a standing position and never laid on their sides. 6. Managing fumes and smoke. Welding and flame cutting release fumes, depending on the materials being worked on. Always position yourself so that the fumes and flames blow away from your breathing zone. Keep your head far enough from the task and make sure your helper follows the same practice to avoid inhaling harmful fumes. 7. Permit to work, PTW, and fire watcher. A permit to work must be obtained before any hot work begins. Ensure a fire extinguisher and a designated fire watcher are present at all times to monitor and respond to potential fire hazards. 8. Work area control. Cordoning off the work area is essential. It prevents unauthorized access and keeps the workspace safe for everyone. Use barriers, cones, or warning tape as needed. 9. Proper ventilation. Ensure that the work area is well ventilated. This disperses fumes and prevents the buildup of hazardous gases. For confined spaces, use forced ventilation to maintain air quality. 10. Inspection and maintenance of tools and equipment. Regularly inspect your tools, welding machines, hoses, and gas cylinders for any signs of damage or wear. Maintenance should be done as needed to prevent equipment failures and accidents. Remember, safety is in your hands. By following these welding, flame cutting, and grinding safety practices, we keep ourselves and our team safe. If you have any questions, speak up. Let's stay safe and work smart. Weld safe, cut smart, grind right.
This is all about today's topic. Thanks for watching Phani EHS Info. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get immediate notification of our videos. Share our videos to your friends and colleagues to create safety awareness. If you have any questions and requirements, please comment in comment box.